We just dropped off our son at his university about 20 minutes ago-ish. We've been here basically all day, and that's maybe why I look bad, because I've been helping him carry his stuff in the hot Texas sun, and it was crazy hot today. But I feel good. The university is awesome. You know, I feel positive about him going to this university, and I think it's going to be a good thing for him. And you know, probably most parents would get sad or, you know, worried, yes.
We have been worried.
Where is their child going, and if the child's going to be okay. But I think this is going to be a great opportunity for him, and I think it's a good thing. And so right now we're driving back home through Texas, and I was thinking earlier that this might be like what people think of when they typically think of Texas. You know, if you look outside or look around, this is probably what comes to people's mind when you're driving through rural Texas. We just need to see some cowboys, some cows, some trucks, maybe some barbecues, so you would see what you think you're supposed to see. But it's nice, it's beautiful driving through Texas here. See, there's some cows over there and an oil rig. See,
I missed it.
She missed it. Maybe we'll get another one. That's like perfect. That is perfect Texas, to see cows and an oil rig. So those are probably some of the classic things that people would think of as Texas. Oil, cows, they think of the old TV show Dallas. Ranches, horses, and there's an oil well. See this oil rig over here going up and down?
Yeah.
And there you go, cows and an oil rig. That's what people think Texas is supposed to be, right there. That's a perfect example of Texas. So yeah, I'm thinking about at some point starting a spiritual travel channel. Go to the spiritual places in America like Sedona, like Mount Shasta, and others. I don't know if there's enough spiritual hotspots to go to in the U.S., so we probably also have to go to the UFO hotspots as well, like Roswell, again like Mount Shasta, again like Sedona, which is also a UFO hotspot. Maybe the Jeff Mara podcast will kind of evolve into that a little bit. Here's some more oil wells, pumping oil out of the ground. That's probably an oil truck in front of us. That guy may drive out to the oil rigs, pick up oil, and take it back to the main distribution station. And I just noticed this. It's 7:21 p.m. and it's 100 degrees outside. This was a really long day for us because my wife said that we left about 6:50 this morning.
From home.
And now we left the university at 6:15.
Yeah, it's coincidence. 6:50.
Yeah.
12 hours.
Long day. Some people say that these cows are raised in a slot like maybe no bigger than a parking lot, or maybe half the size of a parking lot. And maybe that's true. But when you're out here in Texas, you see so many properties with cattle on it that makes you wonder what's really going on, because you see the cattle out here just grazing the grass. In case you're wondering what grass-fed, pasture-raised beef looks like, that's it. See those cows just wandering among that field over there, that pasture? That's pasture-raised beef. I don't know if it's too dark outside, but there's this like little island of pine trees right where we're going through Texas here, in this part of Texas. And it's only about 10 miles of pine trees, and then it gets back to like oak trees. But it's interesting that, you know, there's just this little spot right here. Again, I don't know if you can see it. I hope you like this drive through Texas today.
We will stop by Buc-ee's.
Buc-ee's has the most amazing bathrooms that are super clean. You would never guess that you're in a gas station. they wash their bathrooms after every use. Their bathroom is also an art gallery with lots of beautiful paintings. Welcome to Buc-ee's, everybody. Welcome to Buc-ee's, the world's greatest gas station. So I know Robert likes pudding.
Oh, but maybe we can get something healthier.
Well, the last time we got one of these and we all split it, we did get one for Robert himself.
Which
One
one?
of these paddle tails.
What is it?
At least that doesn't have as much sugars like the other stuff.
Anything more interesting for Robert than paddle
Blueberry
tail?
scone with icing.
Maybe I can ask him what he wants.
This is what's, if you can look up here and you can see what are the calories, what has the most calories for here.
This products. Thank you very
you.
much. That is so cool. Okay.
Just, let us go. One lemon bar.
I've got the lemon bar today, pecan bar, and red velvet.
You pay you or pay up bill?
Pay up front, yeah. I'm just typing in the stuff for the sticker. Here you go. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
Just our teas.
Iced coffee. Over here. That's the espresso bar.
Wow.
See, they even show you how much espresso, how much milk, how much foam.
Yeah, I should try.
Espresso, cappuccino, latte, which has a lot more milk, hot chocolate, mocha, coffee, coffee with milk.
And he mentioned this is $3.99 and Starbucks is
This size is $3.99 and Starbucks is $6.
at least $6. That size.
Out of order. Oh, they're broken. I guess you
Just
can't try.
broken.
Both of them are broken.
Okay, we can go to Starbucks. Okay, I wanted to try. So this is their kitchen area. They have everything. I like this area. Interesting. How much is this? $17.
If you want to collect chickens.
This is what I got last time. They don't have the dispenser. Those are nice. How much are they? $25. So book area. I like everything here. Their style. Coffee. It's okay. I don't want another pasta item. I never even used the pasta one. Preserve. Yeah. How do you...
wonder if there's a margarita somewhere out there thinking about me too.
Maybe.
Thinking that they get flat. Keep it flat.
These are Halloween cups. $4.98. Pasture-raised.
All right, we're going to try our desserts from Buc-ee's, and here they are. And we actually got 3 desserts, and one of them is for our son Robert, which is this red velvet cake whoopie pie. And then we have a lemon bar here and a pecan bar here. This is the pecan bar. I'm going to cut it in half. Half for me and half for my lovely wife. So I'm guessing this is going to taste like a pecan pie. Going to find out. It's kind of like a pecan pie, but a little bit different because it's got a little bit of cinnamon in it. And I've never had cinnamon in a pecan pie before. And it seems sweeter than a pecan pie, if that's even possible. But I think the one thing that changes it, and it's a big thing, is the cinnamon added to this bar, which honestly I really don't like. I wish they wouldn't have done it. I wish it tasted more like a pecan pie. For me, I wouldn't buy it again based on the way it tastes. So now let's try the lemon bar. All right, obviously it's topped with powdered sugar. It's not bad. At first I didn't like it, but as I ate it more, it got better. I'm not sure if it's more of a fake lemon taste than a real lemon taste. It's hard to tell. But I would say it's okay. Again, I don't think this would be something that I would buy a second time. I would say, yeah, it's okay. I think I like it less than the pecan one. That's my review of these. I would give this maybe a 6.5 out of 10, and maybe the pecan bar a 6.8.
I don't taste the lemon.
You're right, at first you don't taste the lemon that much, but as you eat it more, it kind of subtly increases. And it kind of tastes a little bit unreal.
It's okay. It's not bad.
Would you buy them again?
I would probably like to try rest of their desserts and see which one I like better. It's not bad. It's good with coffee. I'm not crazy about that, but it's still good.